That is how you can add text behind photo or like an image in Canva. Of course, it's much easier with Canva Pro. So hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add text behind an image on Canva Pro. Yes, I'm going to be emphasizing Canva Pro because it's going to be much easier if you have Canva Pro with you. But I wouldn't be saying that it's also impossible with just Canva free, but it's going to be quite complicated. But I'm going to be showing you the tutorial for how you can do it using Canva Pro, using the premium tools that Canva has to offer. Now, first of all, you can head over down to the link in the description so that you'll have at most 30 days free trial for Canva Pro, and you'll get all of the features and access to all of the amazing stuff that Canva has to offer, of course with the need of your credit card credentials. Not for us, but for Canva itself. Okay, so you want to, let's say I have this resolution over here and I want to set up like a YouTube banner, like, you know, the cover photo for like your YouTube channel. And let's say it's like a travel channel. So I'm gonna go ahead to elements. I'm gonna try this traveler. I'm gonna go with traveler here, go to photos, and like there's this photo of this person over here. Now you're gonna look at this and say, oh hey, that's one person, and you want to try and add some text in front of the woman, right? Like some text in front of her. So what we can do with here is we can go over, of course, again with Canva Pro, we go to the image, click on an image and click on edit, and what we just need to do is to click on magic grab over here. And what magic grab does is that it separates an entity or like a subject from the image. So like it separates a subject from the background and makes it an entirely different layer on its own. So you just, as you can see, click on the subject that you want to grab and click on grab. Now let's just wait for it to work its magic. Now we don't necessarily have to move the woman around. She can just stay there. What matters is now she's no longer one with photos. So like we can put something between her and the background. So as you can see, she's now an element that we can move around, and there's like a tree in front of her, which I'm pretty sure it shouldn't be there. So now it looks like that. Now what we can do is we can go to text, and now we can add a text box. Let's say we can set this to traveler. We can even choose any of the fonts that Canva has to offer. Of course, I'm going to try and choose ones that would fit this one the best. For example, something about traveling. I don't know if Canva has like, oh, this one, traveler. All right, so we can just probably embolden this one as well, make it a bit bigger, add some effects to it, lift maybe like that. Then we can just like go to position and send it backwards, and as you can see, it is now in front of the lady. Now I can that is how you can add text behind photo or like an image in Canva. Of course, it's much easier with Canva Pro. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.